Welcome. In front of me is a MEDION E5005, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you just want to shut off the device. I'm going to have to pull out the battery anyway. And flip it over, and you will have on the bottom left corner, place where you can kind of pull off the cover. As you can see. And from here I have the battery, so just kind of take it out. And I think it's actually glued. Oh no, never mind. So it comes out. Then you can put in the SIM card and SD card. So I think the SIM is, the bigger one. Yep, so let me actually put it into the little adapter, like so. Okay, so slide it in. You have a little image that will show you which way, where's the notch. Well, that's not going too well. Let me take the phone, might be easier. Yeah, so there we go. Now it's slid in, so you can just push it all the way in. Then the SD card simply slides here, like so. Put on the battery back in, and you can turn the device back on. I actually need to put in the cover to press the button, so okay. Let's wait for it to actually turn back on. Okay, so as you can see, the SIM card is already working and SD card should be as well. And that is basically how you insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.